Hi there. Thank you so much for enrolling in this course. Let me give you a breakdown of what you will learn. First, we're going to start with signing up with Rover.com and becoming a sitter. We're going to go through the different aspects of your sitter profile, from your availability to what services you will offer, and even how to make your profile stand out above your competition. Then we're going to dive into the different strategies that are going to give you an extra boost from the other new sitters that are just joining Rover, because you will have an upper hand with these strategies on how to build up your Rover profile, your social proof, so you actually attract new clients to you. Then we're going to veer over into the Rover app. The Rover app is going to be required for some of the services if you decide to offer them, followed up with meet and greets. Meet and greets is just a way for you to get to know the potential new client and their dog prior to confirming their booking with you. I'm going to show you how to be prepared for them, what questions to ask the client before deciding on if this is a good fit for you. And last but not least, we will also cover local marketing strategies that you can use in your area to get more eyeballs on your dog business and bring in more clients. So if you're new to Rover, you don't even have a sitter account set up, or you have signed up with Rover, but nothing's happening like it was to me in the very beginning, or maybe you are looking to get started on your very own dog business, Rover is definitely going to be a great platform for you to start out with. Now let's continue on if you're curious and want to know more.